Hello friends, welcome to the Title Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about ASUS 2024 Vivobook Classic series. So friend, the 5 updated models in the popular ASUS Vivobook Classic series of everyday laptops LED by ASUS Vivobook 14, X1404, X1405, ASUS Vivobook 15, X1504 and ASUS Vivobook 16, X1605 and ASUS Vivobook 17, X1704 and smooth performance is delivered by up to latest Intel Core 7 processor Series 1 with 16 GB RAM and up to 1 TB SSD. Quiet and efficient cooling is provided by dual-vented cooling system with IceBlade fan and up to 2 heat pipes. The long-lasting up to 50-hour battery gives the user more freedom, and there is up to Wi-Fi 6 for ultra-fast connectivity. Other helpful design features include the latest ASUS AI noise cancelling audio technology for crystal clear communication, and there are bundle productivity enhancing ASUS apps including GlideX, MyASUS and ScreenXpert. ASUS Vivobook 16 delivers a stunning visual experience featuring a superb resolution display and a 144Hz refresh rate with a 100% sRGB color gamut. Both ASUS Vivobook 14 and 16 have an expansive up to 16:10 aspect ratio display, while ASUS Vivobook 15 and 17 have widescreen 16:9 aspect ratio, with ASUS Vivobook 15 featuring a precision touchscreen. All display have TÜV and have low blue light certification to ensure eye comfort during long viewing session. And friend, the eye-catching slim and lightweight design is finished in selection of the on-trend colors, and the 118 leaf flat hinge allow easy collaboration and sharing. The comprehensive I/O capabilities include up to USB Type-C 3.2 Gen 2 port with power delivery to USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type A ports, a USB 2.0 port, HDMI 1.4 port and audio combo jack. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.